In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Roblox gift card not redeeming. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble redeeming a Roblox gift card, this could be due to a variety of reasons. In this video, I'm gonna show you the process of properly redeeming a gift card and what you can do if you are having trouble receiving your Robux. So, the way to properly redeem a gift card is to go to the website at roblox.com through a web browser on your computer, and when you arrive at this website, sign into the account where you are going to be redeeming the gift card. Once you are signed in, click on the Robux icon over here and then select Redeem Roblox Codes from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where you can input the gift card code and properly redeem any amount of Robux. For this video, I don't actually have a code, I'm simply demonstrating to you the full process of redeeming a code, and right after you input the code here, you take this box and you click redeem, you are going to be receiving your Robux. Now, if you are getting errors, like I said, this could be due to a variety of reasons. The first thing that I would suggest is to double check the code. Sometimes you might be getting confused. For example, if there is an O on the code, you might be typing 0 instead. If there is a B, you could be typing 8 instead, and so on. So it's very important that you double or even triple check the code. If you know for sure that the code is typed over here properly and you are still getting an error message, you can move on to some more advanced solutions. What you can do is go over to the help section, and as you saw, you can click help at the bottom of the screen or click on the settings icon and then select help. And in here, you will find Contact Us. Go into Contact Us and then select the support form. You will be redirected to this page that you can also go to directly, roblox.com/support. You have to include your username, an optional first name, and most importantly, an email address so they can talk back to you after you contact them regarding this issue. Choose your platform, and then from the list of help category, you will find gift card. In here, you have plenty of options related to gift cards, but the one that you will probably select if you cannot redeem your card is this one, Gift Card Redeem. In here, describe your issue. Tell them where you got the gift card from, let them know if it was directly from the gift cards store available on the Roblox website, or if it was from another retailer such as Walmart, Target, etc., and they will be able to talk back to you and make sure that the gift card is working properly, or they are going to give you the reason on why you cannot redeem the card. Either way, the people at the Roblox customer support are the only ones who are going to be able to help you fix any issues attributed to your gift cards. So make sure that you talk to them directly and you provide all the information necessary after they contact you back at the email address. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Roblox gift card not redeeming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.